My name is Tereka Chance. I live in San Antonio, Texas. I have 2 kids. Amari is 10, Ariana is 6. Amari, we got him when he was 7 days old. You never know that we adopted him because he's just like ours. We got him tested about the age of 3, and they did diagnose him with autism. I would say he's high functioning. In the beginning he wasn't, but we had to do a lot of work with him. He would sleep in the room with me on the couch because he just comes and goes freely because he doesn't think there's anything wrong with it. He would get up and he would go to the bathroom or he would do something, and I didn't know where he was at and I didn't know what he was doing. But when we got our alarm system, it actually I guess it gave me a sense of freedom. Now that we have the alarm system, if he comes downstairs or anything, it beeps and it lets me know, so I'll know exactly where he's at and I'll know exactly what he's doing. Which makes it easier for me to leave the house and get at least a moment, because until we got the system, I never left him with anybody. So now I don't have to worry about that because I can look at him and I can see what's going on.